Here we are, back on the Fairlane. So, I've missed a lot. I've been pretty busy, but it's hot, but I've gotten a lot done. So, we got a cooling system in there that doesn't work that great. We got brakes in here that also don't work that great. So, issue number one we're having. It's getting a little warm. It's not crazy. I feel like if I was to go drive the car, I don't think it would be a big deal while I was driving. But sitting here idling and stuff, it's not happy. It gets up to 200 pretty quick. But if I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong, but these engines out of the trucks have like a 200 or like a 205 thermostat or something like that. I could be wrong, but I think they do. Because my old Coyote truck ran at 208 all the time. Like, that was normal. I don't want that. So I'm gonna order a 160 thermostat for this and do that. And also I'm gonna put in a 160 thermostat. It has two 10-inch fans on it right now. 1, 2, dose. I don't know. I got a 16-inch fan that I let my dad have. So I'm gonna go pretend like I'm gonna visit him and I'm gonna steal that fan back and I'm gonna put it on here. So he'll never see it coming. I'm gonna make that happen. We got the air condition lines welded up. I did like an adapter setup. See, there's your discharge, goes to the condenser, which is just kind of just chilling in there. Goes to the dryer. I still got to crimp these. I'm mocking stuff up. Y'all give me some credit here. Goes inside, and then I got the unit inside installed. So the thing about it, it kind of, there we go. It kind of takes up a lot of room in here. I wasn't quite expecting that, but there's for my defrost, my regular vents. I still gotta get all that stuff done. There's my bracketry, got it up in there. And that way I can still see the old Terminator. It doesn't hang too terribly low, but it's there. That's for the USB. But AC line in, out, 2 heater lines. There's my valve to turn the heater on and off, manual. Got that ran up there. So we've been busy. Car's close, but everything that should work good is not working good. But hey, can't have everything now. Got the battery chilling in the back, so ready to rock and roll. I got a video, I'm gonna put it in here. I backed it out of the shop. Transmission works, shifter works, everything works, all that stuff I made worked. So I backed it outside, did an old burnout, and that's when I discovered the brakes really suck on this car. Which I think the problem was, I found out the brakes were plumbed wrong to the proportion valve. And I don't know, I say wrong, but they're plumbed real weird. Their proportion valve, it was plumbed backwards, then they had one blocked off, and then it went down to a T to the front. It was just, wasn't working out that great. So I did the right thing. Instead of trying to figure out what master cylinder, what booster, all that stuff, I just ordered a whole new, this box is empty. There we go. Master cylinder, booster with a brake pedal adapter. There it is. So I'm just gonna do away with all that. Just fix her up. I put new wheel cylinders in the back. I mean, I've been cranking it out, but I'm gonna fire this car up again and I'm gonna see if I can get these fans to come on with the relays. And if that works, what I might do is do the 16-inch fan on the front, and with the AC, I might put one of those 10-inch fans right here on this condenser. So if I do that, put it right there on the condenser and have it where it kicks on at like, I don't know, 200 or something, just in case it needs it, might not. Or, you know, just have it there to restrict airflow. I mean, that seems like the right thing to do. So I'm gonna get this car fired up and see if we can get the fans to kick on. this set up right now. I got fan 1 at 180 and fan 2 at 190. Right now we're sitting at 173. So they should come on sometime soon. Once we get that to 180. But it's pretty simple. Like I said, fan 1 comes on at 180, kicks off at 170. Oh, whoopsie, I shouldn't have done that. Uh-oh. I gotta fix it, I gotta fix it, I gotta fix it. Alright. There. So, fan 1 should be coming on right now. Let's go take a look. And it's not. Huh. Alright, I think I got this figured out. So, whenever you're diagnosing, make sure all the fuses are in the fuse box, and then make sure that the fuse you're putting in, the wire isn't just laying out here because you're diagnosing and arcing off. So every time you put in a fuse, it would pop. So you're like, well, what's going on? So you come out here, move stuff around, look around, well, okay. And then put the fuse back in, and the color used on the inside changes once it goes through the fuse box. My gosh, it's brown in there and it's yellow out here, so totally messed me up. But I think I got it now. So I'm gonna start it back up and we're gonna try this. See if it works. Let's try it. Labeled wrong. So I had like the inputted power on the wrong side of the relay or something. I don't know. I flip-flopped it and it worked. So both fans are on. They're both cooling. Relays are there. It's a whole lot of work for something I'm just going to take out and put a single fan in with one in the front. But I want to make sure these relays are triggering like they should. So, see, 200. Like I said, my truck, it ran like 208, whatever. So I figured this is pretty close. I got a 160 on order. Get that going. Got this set up. Everything's good. And like I said, the brakes really suck. But if you watch, hang on, let me switch this to, my goodness. Nope. Nope. There. See, park. That's it. Reverse. Neutral. Drive. Neutral. Reverse. Park. So we're good there. So that's working. Not a real big fan of that screen. I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna change the analog to all the stuff that I like. I still gotta add the fuel gauge and do all that type of stuff, but she's running, boys. Good little update for y'all, but here, yeah, see it stopped right there. She's still running a little rich on startup and everything, but it is what it is. Like I said, I got the AC in there, I got the lines, I gotta crimp it, I gotta do this, I gotta do that. I'm probably gonna pull that radiator back out. I'll probably make a shroud with it with that 16. I think that'll really help a lot. So, there's an update on Darla, 57 Fairlane. So, there you go. Hopefully, I can get the brakes situated, do all that stuff. That'll be the next video. Will be brakes and getting the cooling system really dialed in and figured out. And then, maybe we'll take it for a drive. That'd be cool. Because I really need to wrap this car up. I need to get on the Model A. I got a lot of stuff to do to both cars still. But, there you go. Until next time.